If you're wondering what food's like in Iceland and how much is it, we're going to show you everything from the grocery store to a gas station and everything in between. Cheers.
Cheers.
This is your ultimate Icelandic South Coast food guide. Very Viking-like.
But we're going in this incredible restaurant.
The grass roof, Viking Longhouse. That's where we're going right now for dinner. So we're going to check this place out. It looks really cool. Let's go. Ingólfsskáli gives you a chance to go back in time and check out a Viking Longhouse for dinner. It's so authentic, you're going to feel like a real Viking as you enter. Walking through the doorway is like walking back through time. Just going through the curtain, we're going in. No idea what to expect. Vikings didn't just travel by ship to hunt and pillage, they set up full-fledged communities. The Longhouse was a place to eat, drink, and celebrate. Let's go back in time to 1000 AD and have dinner. We are situated and we're at this epically cool Longhouse, Viking Longhouse for dinner, and this place is really badass. Super badass.
And we're going to have to check out the menu.
Yeah, now we have to figure out the menu. The detail in this Longhouse is just outrageously amazing. It truly has a Viking vibe. So we have beer horns. Cheers.
Cheers.
I have beer foam. I have a foam mustache from my Viking horn. We decided to do the Viking feast, which is a 3-course meal.
Oh,
We're gonna try the meat soup.
I think she said it was wild game.
It is wild game. Roadkill, maybe. Kidding. Icelandic wild game soup. Stir it up a little bit, I think.
It has like a gravy taste.
Really? You say gravy? It tastes like gravy.
It's like gravy.
Yeah, it's very much like gravy.
It's good.
Scouse is a Viking soup that consists of meat, vegetables, and a bunch of spices. You need my horns, like a Viking. And if you want to wear horns, well, heck, they're there. Try them out. We already found the bread. We also have the bread.
Cheers.
Nice. There's like a lot of food here. We have
cabbage, pork, beef, and lamb.
And then potatoes over
Potatoes
here.
with Brussels sprouts.
Yes.
And the salad.
Oh yeah, the salad. And of course our beer horns here. I'm gonna start with the pork, I think. Lori, what'd you try first?
So I have the pork.
Is it good?
Very flavorful. I love it.
Okay, Lori says very flavorful. Let's see if we can figure out what the flavor. This is a big honking piece here.
Very tender.
It's like a massively lightly seasoned pork chop. Lori's loading up her plate.
I just try a little bit of. It's like crazy though.
Yeah, there's a lot of food.
I'm not even sure. I guess it's pretty good. Okay.
And the potatoes. Our potatoes.
They're good though.
Very good. Roasted.
And there's something here. Something different. You'll have to try one. I'm not sure what it is.
These things right here?
Yeah, it's different.
Taking one.
What is it?
What is it? What is it?
I don't know. It seems different, doesn't it?
Oh,
Wait, hold
is
on.
it?
Wait, hold on. It's not a potato.
Oh, it's like, wow, sounds like it's more seems like a French fry, kind of.
I don't know, but it's kind of crunchy.
This is good.
Yeah.
It's good.
It's good.
Everything's good so far. Legitimate Longhouse elements are everywhere, but the food experience is outrageous.
I'm gonna try the beef, which is very tartare. How red it is. Super red. Well, it's really good.
Is it tender? Juicy?
Very juicy.
Flavorful?
It's yummy. It tastes like it just got slaughtered in backfield.
Oh.
Ooh.
I don't know if I want to think that, but okay.
Very good.
The one exception to authenticity is the very modern bar.
How can you fit any more?
I don't know. And I'm not going to say because I'm not sure the next time we're eating, right?
Wow. Yeah, true. Very true.
Since it was raining, we got to talk to our server.
So I feel like I wasn't sure if I was correct. I feel like I've seen you like maybe on someone's YouTube video.
Yeah.
Like you were behind the bar talking about the restaurant.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why I probably should have filmed you. You were talking about Ingólfsskáli. I think I got it. It's closer, right?
Yep.
Yay.
You're getting close to it.
He said, well, within a few miles now. The music in here, is that like traditional Viking music or just has that feel?
More or less, in some of the songs are old Viking songs, but some of them are a little bit newer.
For a really authentic Viking dinner, Ingólfsskáli is definitely worth a stop. Just remember that when you leave, you're gonna be full.
That dinner was just amazing. I mean,
Yeah,
I don't even know how to describe it.
it was really fun, but it's really expensive. As far as this kind of stuff goes, it's up there, probably $100 a plate, give or take, but super fun, worth the stop. And they even do outdoor axe throwing when the weather cooperates.
Yes.
So we might have to come back, but regardless, we're out now. See you next time. And with that, we are off to our next adventure. We have a lot more cool Icelandic stuff to show you, so be sure to tune in next time.